everyone, welcome back to Simplicity Reimagined. So today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY duct tape dress form. So let's begin. First thing you're going to need is a old t-shirt, and it needs to be like way bigger so then it can reach at least past your bottom, so then you can do the back area for your dress form. Next, you're going to put said t-shirt on. Then you're going to go to Dollar Tree and get as much duct tape as you can. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is do your chest, and then do your shoulders, and then your stomach area, and then fill in from there. You want about like 2 to 3 layers, depending on how thick you want it. Okay, so once you have done that grueling process, then you're going to cut a line straight down the middle. So it can be on the front side, or it can be on the back side. Just be careful so it doesn't lose its form. Then I just took one long piece of duct tape and taped it all back together. Next, you're going to take a bunch of random newspaper and just stuff it inside. Once you're done stuffing your little mannequin, then you need to get a piece of cardboard and then trace the bottom of it out and then cut it. And here is your finished product. The back doesn't have to look that good, so don't worry about it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it helped you.